Introduction. Business organizations are of different kinds. Economy is divided into two different sectors, public and private. There are several kinds of business organizations and entities. Some of them are small level and some operate on large scale. Some are privately owned while some are owned by Government of India. All these organizations affect our daily economic activities and thus contribute to the Indian economy. Indian economy consists of both private and public sectors, so it becomes the mixed economy. Indian government and mixed economy. Government of India has allowed the public and private sectors to operate successfully in India and contribute to the overall growth of the Indian economy. For this, the government also plans industrial policy resolutions from time to time to consider the improvement steps to boost up the performance of private and public sectors. Government's policy. Industrial Policy Resolution 1948 focused on the development of industrial sectors. Industrial Policy Resolution 1956 was centered upon the objective to accelerate the rate of growth and industrial investments. On the other hand, Industrial Policy Resolution 1991 was designed to disinvestment of the public sector and flexibility to the private sector. Different forms of public and private sector. Public sector has been classified into three categories: departmental undertakings, statutory companies, government companies, while private sector consists of several categories: sole proprietorship, partnership firms, joint Hindu family, cooperative agencies, company, public limited and private limited, and multinational corporations known as MNCs.